We will now face the top of the part. Facing operations quickly remove materials from the top of the part to create an even surface for future operations. In the 2D group, select Face. When the chaining dialog box appears, press OK to use the defined stock. Select Tool and select Library Tool. Click on Filter, select None, and then select Face Mill, and change the tool diameter to equal 2 inches and press OK. Select the 2-inch face mill and press OK. Enter the comment, face the top of the part. Select Cut Parameters. Change the cutting method to zigzag. For move between cuts, set it to high-speed loops. And change the stock to leave on floors to 0. Select Linking Parameters. Enable Clearance, set to 2 absolute. Retract, set to 0.25 absolute. Feed plane, 0.2 incremental. Top of stock, 0.1 absolute. And set the depth to 0 absolute. Clearance sets the height at which the tool moves to and from the part. Retract sets the height that the tool moves up to before the next tool pass. Feed plane sets the height that the tool rapids to before changing to the plunge rate to enter the part. Top of stock sets the height of the material in the z-axis. Depth determines the final machining depth that the tool descends into the stock. Top of stock is set to 0.1 because the stock origin was set to 0.1 inches above the origin. The depth is set to 0 because this is the finish depth. The majority of values are set to absolute, which is measured from Z0, which is set at the top of the finished part. Feed plane is set to incremental because it is measured from the top of the stock. Select Preview Toolpath, and then hide the dialog box. Change your view to isometric. The toolpath should appear as shown. If the toolpath does not match the one on my screen, press Escape and check that you set the parameters exactly as I have set them. Otherwise, press OK to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. Return your view to top and toggle the toolpath display off.